The Lord be with you.
And also with you.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Mark. Glory to you, Lord. Jesus and his disciples left from there and began a journey through Galilee. But he did not wish anyone to know about it, for he was teaching his disciples and telling them, "The Son of Man is to be handed over to men, and they will kill him. And 3 days after his death, the Son of Man will rise." But they did not understand the saying, and they were afraid to question him. They came to Capernaum, and once inside the house, Jesus began to ask them, "What were you arguing about on the way?" They remained silent, for they had been discussing among themselves on the way who was the greatest among them. Then Jesus sat down, called the 12, and said to them, "If anyone wishes to be first, he shall be the last of all and the servant of all." Taking a child, he placed it in their knees, and putting his arms around it, he said to them, "Whoever receives one child, such as this in my name, receives me. And whoever receives me, receives not me, but the one who sent me." My dear friends, the good news of our salvation.